Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of UH-1D Huey Gunship. It's a Revell kit, 132 scale, and it is kit number, let's see if I can find it real quick, 855536. And it says something here, 051824KA Poland. I don't know if that's where it was made. Let's see here. This kit came out right there, 2019. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby the other day, and I'm going to do an unboxing here. Larry over at Larry's Model Shop. A shout out to him. He communicated to me that he was thinking about getting this kit, and I let him know I'd do an unboxing. So this one's for you, Larry. Hope you're doing well. Guys, if you haven't checked out his channel, please go around there and give him a like and a subscribe and all that good stuff. Alrighty, here we go. I've never built one of these myself, so I have no idea what's in here. I'll have to do a lot of research when it comes time to do the build. I just really liked it when I seen it. I thought, wow, that's pretty cool. And at Hobby Lobby, now there's no plastic on these kits at Hobby Lobby. I don't know why. They come with just this big sticker on there holding the edges together. Kind of different. But Hobby Lobby had their 40% off sale the other day, and I picked it up. Regular price was $27.99, and cost afterwards was like $16 and change, so it was a pretty good deal. Alright folks, here we go. This is the moment I've been waiting for too. I really don't have a clue what's going to be in here. Wow, look at that. Alright, so one big bag of parts. We'll get to the instructions and decals and that in a minute. I may need the room. I'll put that up there. And here it is. It is cellophane taped together. Yeah. Just get rid of those. Okay, we've got a bag of clear that's inside of it. I almost thought I dropped something there. Almost called it a windshield, but well, I guess it's windshield. Blocks the wind, right? It shields the wind. I think that's those two little pieces there. So some miscellaneous clear parts. Not going to take them out, but I'm going to open it so you can see it better. Maybe if I do this. Yeah, a little hard to see it, but there. There's a real nice selection of clear parts, and they all look really nice. Alright, I'll set that aside. I wonder if there's going to be any like people in here like there was on the tank that I did a while back. So here is the right side, passenger side of the helicopter, if you will. Pretty cool. I like it. A little bit of flaws, you know, some flashing and that kind of stuff, but that's to be expected with any kit. Obviously these parts of the tree here will have to be cut off, but it's kind of cool. Got some little pieces here. Here's one of the blades. This might be the rotator for the back. Pretty cool. And then the other side looks like it has the engine. It has the engine around there, also with a big chunk of tree that'll have to be cut off the body. Pretty neat packaging wise though, because you know they did all that right in the mold, so they were thinking pretty good there. This is the inside. I don't know a thing about helicopters other than they're pretty cool, but this sucker's huge. I mean, let's see here. I don't have a model close by, oddly enough. try to give you an idea of the size of it. That's basically the whole deal there. Won't even fit. Let me, here we go. Hold on a sec, guys. Here's this car that I did a while back around Halloween of last year. So here is the helicopter next to it to give you kind of an idea of the scale of it. The model is 125 scale, and the helicopter is 132 scale, I think it said. So it's almost twice as long, about 1.5 sizes in length, and about the same width. So that'll help you kind of get an idea of what the scale is on it, or the size. Let me put that one back. Alrighty, so that's these two pieces. Doesn't look like a whole lot to the kit, but still pretty cool. Here's what I'm going to assume is the floorboard of the helicopter, and then this is like I don't know. Maybe this lays on top of this to give it like a texture. Maybe. A lot of little holes here, so maybe a lot of accessories go in throughout here. Some missiles. Pretty cool. 2, 4, 6 missiles. I don't know if you can see them real well. Miscellaneous pieces here. Some seat belts. Cool. I don't know what these are. They look like little tanks of some sort. Here's a couple of pew-pews, as they say. Pretty cool. That's that. And this one here. Oh yeah, we get, you know, I have the backs of 2 human beings, just like the seats. If you have the front seats and then the back of the front seats, well, here's the back of the 2 people. And here are the seats. This is the part of the helicopter blade. This looks like it's bent down a little bit. We'll have to gently massage that back into position when the time comes. And this is for the main prop. I'm sorry, I can't think of the name of the thing. The whirly bits that go on the top. That's the main pole for that sticks through the center of the helicopter. Here's the landing feet, it looks like, with, yeah, just some flashing on there, no big deal. Some control sticks. Miscellaneous little pieces here. I'm sorry, I don't know the names of these things, but I'll learn as the build comes along. And this piece is stuck one side or the other. I don't know which. Oh, this. All right. It looks like it was molded in one big long piece like this, and then they folded it in half, and it gave you two separate trees there. So here's the front of the 2 people, the pilots and the co-pilot. These look like the blades for the top of the copter. Some kind of cargo they were carrying. Some more pew-pews there. Very nice. Some structural things here. More tanks, I think. Or these are, I don't know, maybe they're like guns that go on the bottom part of the copter. Alright. And then the doors. Not Jim Morrison and Ray Manzarek, not those guys, but the doors for the helicopter. There. More parts of the rotator. Here's the dashboard, or control panel, if you will. That's very detailed, but very small. Holy cow. You're going to have some really good eyes to detail that one. And a lot of patience. And this piece here, I don't know what this is, but obviously it goes in there somewhere. And these are the tail flaps. I don't know what they're called. It says Revell 1982 embossed right there. It's really small. I'm surprised I've seen it. So this kit's been around for a while apparently. And that's it for parts. That's everything. Which, I mean, it's pretty cool. But you think for the full price there'd be more in there, but I don't know really what all is involved in a copter. So here we have, I'm going to do the decals if there's, yes, there's decals. Alright. Well, these are really nice looking, guys. Look at those. Very cool decals there. United States Army, Canada, Rescue. I don't know what that says. Sauvetage, which might be salvage. I don't know. Armed Forces, Canadian flag. Do we have an American flag? No, we don't. That's interesting. It says United States Army, but we don't have an American flag on here. I wonder what's up with that. Alright, well, a bunch of little cargo hook, it says. Little detailed things that go on the outside of the copter to help you identify what's there. That's very cool. Pretty nice. Okay, that's it for the decals. Let me get into the instructions. Get you guys out of here. This here is different languages. I have no idea what it's for, what it says. But then we have, I'll pick you up. We have a small booklet. Some parts list. Pardon me. Paint guide here. Very cool. Always like those. Nice, even if you don't use it, it's nice to get some suggestions, you know. Here's parts guide again. This is 58 pieces on this side. So 111, it looks like. 111 total pieces, which is really cool. Start out with putting this thing into this thing. There you go. And then you add more things and it becomes a different thing. Pretty cool. Okay. Control sticks. Here's your two-part people. Two of those. Oh, okay. That big square thing goes in on the side. I thought it would have went on the other way, but that's cool. So it separates whatever from whatever. Oh, there's a top piece also. Okay, that's cool. That's what that second piece was. It doesn't lay over that one. It's the roof or the headliner, basically. Little fire hydrant looking thing. It's part of the engine. Yep. There we go, putting the blade attachments together. Very cool. A lot of clear glass, that's good. Looks like it installs from the outside, but I won't know that until I get it apart and put it together. Take the pieces off the tree and put it together. Okay, we look like we have functional doors. That'll be really cool. Part number 6, putting your halves together once you fill up the inside. That's very cool. Some more lights down here. They're clear. Alright. Pretty nice. I mean, the instructions are laid out pretty well here. Again, I mean, I've never built one, so I won't know until I actually try. But it seems pretty self-explanatory. Seems to have a good flow to it. Blades for the back. Upper. This would probably be the most complicated part for me. Small little parts. Okay. Oh yeah, we got some weapon machinery here on the bottom. That's pretty cool. And some missiles that load up. Okay. This cargo thing I said earlier was probably ammunition. Cool. Very cool. Step 12, more. A lot of arms on this vehicle. Wow. Okay. That. And then we have decal placement. This is sweet. Okay. That's always nice because, again, I don't know anything about these. It's so nice to know where things go. In the back, we have the Canadian version. Okay, the Canadian Rescue Huey. Very cool. May have to build it that way, I don't know. Pretty cool. Well, there you have it, folks. That is the, whatever it's called, the Revell UH-1D Huey Gunship. And like I said, I did that one for Larry. And hope he's having a great day, and hope you're all having a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.